Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change servers in PUBG Mobile. All right, let's begin. First, open PUBG Mobile and tap the arrow button in the top right corner to open the menu. From the list, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page. Now scroll until you find the Select Server section. Tap the Change button next to it. PUBG Mobile only allows server changes once every 7 days, so make sure you choose the right one. When the server options appear, pick the region you want. Options may include North America, Europe, Asia, Middle East, or South America. In this case, I'll stick with North America. Once you've selected the region, tap OK to confirm. Your server will now be changed, and all future matches will be hosted in that region until you change it again after the 7-day cooldown. Changing your server can help improve your ping and match experience, especially if you're traveling or experiencing lag. Just remember, switching regions may affect your rankings and available friends in the game, since PUBG Mobile ties some content to specific servers. So that's basically how you can change servers in PUBG Mobile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.